Imagine creating an endless cartoon series like classic cat and mouse shows, with perfectly consistent characters, funny action, exaggerated expressions, and zero dialogue. Now imagine turning that idea into dozens of images and videos automatically, using free AI tools, and uploading multiple videos every single day. That's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. I'm Sue, and this is the Sue AI. Let's start from zero. Step 1. Create the cartoon story.
Open ChatGPT on your phone or computer. Now paste this prompt. Write a long, silent comedy cartoon story in a 3D Pixar style inspired by classic cat and mouse cartoons. I want 20 short scenes, but you can generate 30, 50, or even 100 scenes if you want. It's completely up to you. Click Send. And by the way, I'll put all the prompts I used in this video down in the description below. In seconds, you'll get a full cartoon story, 20 visual scenes, detailed character blueprints. This is the foundation of everything. Step 2. Convert scenes into image prompts. Now paste this second prompt. Write English prompts line by line to generate cinematic 3D Pixar-style images for this silent cartoon story. Send it. Now you have one prompt per scene ready for image generation. Step 3. Create character reference images.
Before we generate all the scenes, we need to lock our three main characters: the cat, the mouse, and the dog. Let's start with the cat. I'll copy the cat's character description.
Open Wisk AI, choose 16:9 landscape, and paste the prompt. Now I click Generate. You can see it gives us multiple results. Look at these. Some are good, some are okay, but this one right here looks perfect. Clean face, great proportions, strong expression, so I'll download this one. Now this is our official cat reference image, and that's it. We repeat the exact same steps for the mouse. Generate multiple results. Pick the best one. Then we do the same for the dog. Generate, compare, choose the best version. And now we have 3 locked characters. From this point on, these images will keep our characters looking identical in every scene. Let's move to the fun part. Step 5. Generate all images. Install Auto Wisk extension on Google Chrome. Open the extension. Switch language to English. Enable auto download in Settings now. Go back ChatGPT and copy the first prompts we prepared. Prompts only. Same order, no numbering, no extra text. Paste it here. Choose. Aspect ratio, landscape. I want 1 image per prompt. Now upload your reference images. Upload the mouse image here, then the cat, then the dog here. Click Done. Now press Start. Do nothing. The AI will now generate all scenes automatically. Keep characters consistent. Download every image in order. Name them correctly. This is full automation. Step 6. Turn images into videos. Install the Automata extension. Open it and click. Go to Meta AI. Inside the extension, upload all images at once. Paste the same prompts again. Enable auto processing. Click Start. Every image becomes a short video clip and downloads automatically.
Step 7. Voiceover, optional but powerful. Because this is a silent comedy, you have 2 options. Option 1. Use fun background music only. Option 2. Add a high-energy narrator describing the chaos. If you choose narration, paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Write a high-energy, humorous voiceover script that narrates a silent cartoon full of cat, mouse, and dog chaos. Keep it fast, funny, and dramatic. Generate audio using any AI voice tool. Step 8. Final editing. Open CapCut or any editor. Add video clips in order. Sync with music or voiceover. Add sound effects, hits, slides, boings. Add auto captions if needed. This format is extremely viral and scalable. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More AI cartoon systems are coming. See you in the next video.